Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our OEM feed dash cam for 2014 and up Mercedes ML. So technically this is the piece that it replaced the black piece right behind the back view mirror. And it can connect through Wi-Fi to our Android head units, or you can simply download the app and you can connect through Wi-Fi to your phone, any phone, iPhone or Android phone, and you can download the incident directly to your phone. Or these units, they come with SD card, micro SD card slot on the other side, so you can record whatever you want. And simply take out the SD card and take it to your computer and download the incident. If you're interested to get these type of OEM feed dash cams, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.